In this video, I'm going to show you the factory knot, also known as the Deadstock knot. So this right here is the factory knot. This is how your sneakers come. So I'm going to undo this knot, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So you want to have your sneakers all factory laced and all tight. Make sure they're flat. You don't want them all shriveled up. So to get this knot, all you need to do is take your laces, make sure they're the same length, and take one finger, wrap the laces, both laces, around your one finger all the way. You're going to form basically a circle with the laces. So now my pointer finger is basically a circle. So now you're just going to take your finger out, take your two laces, and put it inside the hole, and pull right through. And just like that, you now have the factory knot, also known as the Deadstock knot. So that is how you do the factory knot, also known as the Deadstock knot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.